we're roofing. Didn't record anything yesterday. You know when you get them days, and I just thought, I just want to crack on. And doing the videos, you're constantly moving around and taking footage. We've put a fascia board on there, which is screwed in to the end of the rafters. Got an eaves tray that's on there as well, and the roofing membrane. So we've got 2 rolls of breather membrane on there. Got these battens on. These things, you're probably going to see a lot of head scratching and arse scratching. Never done these integrated solar panel systems before. The instruction book's like 40 pages long. I was reading through it last night and the night before, trying to get my head around it, and I just thought, let's just crack on and get it done. First job, we need to go get some more battens because we've used them all, and somebody decided to put them all the way over there and we can't get to them, so we're carrying them back. Me and little lad are just arguing about tools because I always find loads of stuff in his van and I'm like, that's mine, that, and he's like, no it's not, it's mine, it's mine. So anyway, yeah, look at all this stuff here. Dumper, cherry picker, telehandler, and the worst thing of all, flatbed skip, right on track. I wanted the skip on and I didn't have anywhere to put this, so I dumped it on the road, and the battens are all in a stillage that we brought back from the yard there. So couldn't believe it, but anyway, these are heavy as well. I did one yesterday by myself, and because they've been up at yard for about probably 6 months, a year, out in the rain, so they've sucked up all that water and it's like lifting a tree. And I did one, and I said, come on little lad, you're going to have to give us a lift for these, they're well heavy. Ah.
Thinking back to when we were young, we turned to pieces of what we thought we could be when we got older. Chasing feelings, running wild for what we believed in. To the night I gave my cares, leaning on.
You'll see on Timelapse we put the string line down just to get the batten gauge in. Right, sometimes we use these little, I don't know if you can see them down there, these little pegs. Used to, well, we have been doing it on this, like every 3 battens, using them and then straightening it up with a string line, but we've just ended up now using the string line. It is quicker sometimes, but either or. We've just been talking about how far we're going to go today. I think what we're going to do now is go on the other side and chop the top of these rafters back so that we know where the top of the roof is and how that detail is going to work before we kind of get up too far and it becomes a problem. On the other hand, if anybody knows of any good pants for working in, let me know. I'm on the pants that I wear in the office. I was in me what I call tarmacking pants, but there's some winter pants, me luminous yellow ones, some winter pants that I've had, and I've worn them this winter and they've been, oh wow, yeah, brill. I didn't wear them, I had them for about 2 years, never wore them. I had them on this year and brilliant. But it's like yesterday when we were doing this, I must admit I was a little bit hot, so I haven't got any others. I've fallen out with all the other pairs that I've got. I've got a lot of Stratus ones, which these are, to be fair, these are alright, but you can't move in them, especially walking up on this roof, stretching. I know you can get stretch pants, but then what they do is they cut the arse of them out, and you bend over and your arse hangs out, your t-shirt comes out. So anyway, I'm trying to find some good pants. I ordered some Port West ones yesterday and some from this walking company who did like a walking pant. So if you know any, let me know, because I must have ordered about 8 pairs of pants. Don't like any of them, sent them back. Right, we've decided. So we're going to chop a chunk out of here. This is going to come up there. And then also, I'm going to put, like we did at Blackburn there, put a fillet on here with the lead coming down. We're back folding it in the drip, and then this fascia will come down here. That's the best we can come up with at the minute. I think it's going where we need a little bit of a soffit on there. We need to clear this tilt as well, that we're going to, this kicker on the bottom of here. So that should be fine, that. Let's do it. So what we've done, we've just pinged a choke line down on every single one of these, because we wanted all these absolutely bang on in line. And the easiest way you can do it is with a choke line. You can see we've just got a blue mark on every single one. So what I'm going to do now is just mark that vertical up. Just done it on this one here. Mark the vertical up off each one of these, and then we're just going to chop all these off first and get rid of just this bulky waste out the way, and then we'll start working on the other cuts in it. You have to mark these on the other side, Pierre won't get sewing.
What?
You have to mark them on the other side, don't you? These two. I need the big saw. That big an outpay. Yeah. Flex, with that 12 amp hour flex voltage just in the corner of my van. It's dinner time. You got a filer out in your van, P?
A what?
A file?
File? Oh, like a wrap?
I don't know, it's all grinder. There's a big burr on this fucking keeps catching. Yeah, a file will do. Kept thinking, it kept stopping, and I'm like, what the is that doing? And there's a big burr on it. This rain off. It'll do, it'll do. That's all down my back. Oh, boy. Slowly getting through them. I'll tell you, there's nothing worse than sawdust down your back. And, but anyway, I'm not complaining. It's not raining. For once, up north. Just going to jig all these out now. Just cut them with circ saw as best I can. And then just finishing off with jigsaw. A few to do. Only problem here, I don't know where to put my camera. There we go, we stick a rock on it, that'll work. Oh, better put you straight. Like that. Yeah. Oh. Right, I'm not doing cutting any more of them. I'm not cutting any more of them now. I've had enough. Oh, sorry. Whoa. Nothing worse. Well, there is, but all chopped up. What we're going to do now is going to put a cut across the top of here somewhere to make a flat spot on it. I think what I'm going to do is make a big oversized lead roll for it. We'll then, like I said, put a drip mould on it, fascia on there, soffit board on there, and then the cladding will come right up to here anyway, because we've just allowed for a batten to go on there, breathe membrane, batten, boom, cladding right up there. And we'll see what we can do with this ridge in the lead. I keep having a little scribble every now and again when I get a couple of minutes, but anyway, that's it for a Sunday. I think it's like 5 o'clock. Little lads are gone, so catch you next time.